When your Bosch dishwasher isn't draining properly, the most common cause is a clogged filter system. Modern Bosch dishwashers from 2023 to 2025 will often display specific error codes to help you identify drainage problems. Look for error codes E24 or E25 on your dishwasher's display panel. These codes specifically indicate drain problems that are typically resolved by cleaning the filter system. Before beginning any maintenance, safety is paramount. Always disconnect power to your dishwasher by unplugging it or turning off the circuit breaker. This prevents any electrical hazards while you work. Once safety precautions are complete, remove the bottom dish rack to access the filter system. The cylindrical filter is located at the bottom center of your dishwasher's interior. Modern Bosch dishwashers feature a sophisticated triple filter system. This includes a coarse filter that catches large debris, a fine mesh filter for smaller particles, and a microfilter for final filtration. To clean the filters, first unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise. Separate all three filter components carefully. Rinse each component under hot water at approximately 140 degrees Fahrenheit. For stubborn mineral deposits, soak the filters in a 1-to-1 solution of white vinegar and water. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the filters. After cleaning, reassemble the components, ensuring proper alignment and tighten clockwise. Regular monthly filter cleaning is the most effective way to prevent drainage issues in your Bosch dishwasher. This simple maintenance task can save you from costly repairs and ensure optimal performance. If cleaning the filter doesn't solve your Bosch dishwasher's drainage problem, the drain pump might be the culprit. Let's walk through the diagnostic and repair process step by step. First, perform a diagnostic check by listening for unusual pump noises during the drain cycle. Normal operation should be relatively quiet, while grinding, clicking, or loud humming sounds indicate potential pump problems. To access the drain pump, you'll need to remove the access panel, which is typically located at the front bottom of your dishwasher unit. Make sure to disconnect power before beginning any work. Once you have access to the pump, inspect the impeller for any debris or visible damage. Look for broken blades, accumulated debris, or signs of wear that could prevent proper operation. To test the pump motor electrically, use a multimeter to check the resistance. Set your multimeter to ohms and test across the pump's electrical terminals. A healthy pump motor should read between 100 and 200 ohms. If your pump fails the tests, it needs replacement. Always use genuine Bosch parts, as part numbers vary by model year. The replacement process involves disconnecting electrical connections, removing mounting screws, and installing the new pump in reverse order. If you're uncomfortable with electrical repairs or pump replacement, it's best to call a professional. Electrical component failures, pump motor replacements, and control board issues often require expert assistance for safety and warranty reasons.